Hey, got a question. Would you eat a piece of a 3D printed cheesecake? I'm the CyberGuy, and you can follow me for all my tech updates at cyberguy.com. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter. That's right, hungry food scientists have literally printed a slice of strawberry cheesecake. Using a 3D printer and 7 basic ingredients, researchers have unlocked a delicious technological advancement in the culinary world. The dessert was made by squeezing out each ingredient, including graham cracker paste, peanut butter, strawberry jam, Nutella, banana puree, cherry drizzle, and frosting. It comes out of a syringe in thin lines to form the layered dessert. At the moment, the 3D printed cheesecake is about 70% graham cracker. I don't mind that. Earlier versions of the cake relied on a lot less graham cracker paste, but after several failed attempts, the team decided to add layers of graham cracker paste throughout the slice to keep the cake sturdy. People might be able to buy a 3D printer for cooking in their homes one day, but the price could run about $1,500, and the printers would need recipes to function. So you ready to take a bite out of a 3D printed cheesecake? I know I am. For more trendy tech stories, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.